Babe, I don't know why it takes me to do makeup so long. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am bringing you my June edition of Pandora's box. It is a very special edition because it is the owner Amy's birthday month. So if you're ready, then I'm ready. So let's get started. Before we get started, I do want to say welcome to all of our new family members out there. And in case you're not familiar with me yet, my name is Melissa Leah Garrett, and I'm a cruelty-free makeup and beauty reviewer, a makeup enthusiast, a plus-size beauty, and a PNH and ITP fighter. If you'd like to know more about those two diseases, there are videos down below in my playlist that you could check out. Also, while you're at it, hit the subscribe button to join the fam and hit that notification bell. Therefore, you know when I'm posting, even though I mainly post on Tuesdays and Fridays. Also, give this video a like while you're at it. So, as I've already stated, it is a very special month for the Pandora's box unboxing because it is the owner Amy's birthday month. So, we do want to say happy birthday to her. And this month's theme is all things magic, and I am super excited to get into this. But before I do want to let you guys know, for those of you who may be new to Pandora's box, that it is a subscription service that focuses mainly on indie brands. It's not a monthly subscription charge like Ipsy or BoxyCharm or any other of those subscription services out there. It's a pay-as-you-want subscription service, so you can pick and choose which months you want to try. And the way that it works is that from the 1st through the 15th, you have a pre-order window to order the next month's box. So in order to purchase this one, you had to order it from May 1st through May 15th. The pre-orders for July's box will be up till the 15th, and I am getting this video out before then, so yay on my part. But let's go ahead and just get into this. Okay, this is the mailer that the bag, box, whatever you want to call it, comes in. It does get mailed out from the 1st through the 5th, depending on what day of the month it falls on and if there's any holidays or whatnot. So let's go ahead and open her up. And inside we have the bag. So let's open her up. We got a lot of stuff in here. This is all that is, whoa! All this is in for this month. I think that's it. My bag busted open, but that's okay, because it's easier for me to get stuff out. Okay, so the first thing we have is a wax melt from Wake the Dead Scrubs, and this is a touch of magic. All right, let's see. She smells like, if I can get it open. Oh, this is cute. Whew, I can smell it just from opening the thing. It smells like an ice cream sundae, like butterscotch and caramel and stuff. And as always, we do get an email on what the items are, how much they cost, and what inspired them. So let's go ahead and read that. It says, from Wake the Dead Scrubs, we have a full-size wax melt. These were made extra special for Pandora's box. A touch of magic is a special scent for this collab, mixed with butterscotch, caramel, butter rum, orange zest, cotton candy, and watermelon taffy. There's also a surprise crystal inside. Huh, interesting. I can't wait to melt this then. Pretty cool. All right, next up, from O-Sniplus, I always say this wrong, Bath and Body, we have, looks like a lip balm and a sugar scrub. Here is the lip scrub, and this is the lip balm, and it's in bubblegum. Let's give it a little smell. Ooh, that does smell like bubblegum. Smell the lip scrub. That does smell like bubblegum. It smells like double bubblegum. It says from O-Sniplus, we have a lip balm and scrub set. Randomly selected flavors for each package. You may have gotten banana, bubblegum, coconut cream, watermelon, blueberry, or coffee. I got bubblegum. All right, the next item we have is from About Face Beauty, and it is a warm vanilla cocoa sugar body butter. Let's give it a little smell, a little look-see. Oh, this smells so good. It actually smells like hot chocolate. Oh, that smells good. That's what it looks like. Okay, it says on here from About Face Beauty, we have a full-size body butter. This is a new item from About Face Beauty, so let us know what you think. Right now, you can get 50% off everything on the site with the code Etsy plus free shipping on any order over $50. That's pretty cool. I will make sure I will put that in the description bar so you guys can take advantage of that awesome sale. Next up, we have from Sprkly's Glitter and Gloss Gilded Light Classic Gloss. Is it right? There we go. All right, let's open her up and see what she looks like. Ooh, this is pretty. I like that color. Y'all know I'm a sucker for browns, as you guys can see. Okay, it says from Sprkly Glitter and Gloss, we have a deluxe sample lip gloss with disposable wand. This gorgeous shade will add a golden glow to your lips, perfect for summer. It smells good too. I like that. All right, next up we have from BFTE Cosmetics, we have a loose mineral pigment in the shade Cerinda. Let's go ahead and give her a swatch. Ooh, this is super pretty. It's got like this deep, rich brown as like its base, but then it shifts into like this lavender, lilac purple. Oh, that's beautiful. Okay, there's a lot behind this item, so bear with me while I try to read it all and not flub it up like I always do, because y'all know I am just like the best when it comes to reading. From BFTE Cosmetics, we have a full-size shadow. This shadow was made just for my birthday. Little backstory on where the name Cerinda came from. I was raised Catholic, but growing up, I was always told during Sunday school that it wasn't the right fit for me. I believed in too many things that did not conform to traditional Catholic studies. It was not wrong. It was not wrong, just was not for me. About 15 years ago, I began studying pagan religions, and it made much more sense to me. If you have a belief that is near and dear to you, then you understand what I mean by you just felt like you fit. When I converted, as is customary in many religions, I took the name Cerinda. There was no real research involved. It just came to me one night. My priestess at the time found it interesting as she said the name, though spelled different in her research, came from an old ancient forest that was known as a refuge for those that needed help. For years before and after learning this, I have taken in many, many teenagers that needed a safe place. All religions are beautiful, and we love and respect everyone for their own beliefs. That's a really nice story, and she actually does do that. She tells me all the time about the teenagers that she takes in, and I think that's just an amazing thing to do. Got a lot of stuff this month, and I'm loving it. All right, next up, we have... looks like a body butter, ooh, from Augusta Rose Designs. It says, from Augusta Rose Designs, we have a sample size body butter scented with lemon, avocado, and patchouli for a fresh, summery, and magical scent. Ooh, that smells really good. And I'm really picky when it comes to patchouli smells because I'm not a big fan of it, but this smells really good. This is something different. Okay, this is from Bathory Boutique. I don't know if it's a necklace or... It says, from Bathory Boutique, everyone got a little something different. Each package had a randomly selected accessory. I'm not going to lie, there were a few that were hard to pack because I wanted to keep them. All right, I think this is a necklace. Yeah. Oh my God, this is so cool. It's got a little vial that has like glitter in it. It has a skull charm, a spider charm, and a bat, witch charm. I thought it was a bat. And it has the Sanderson sisters from Hocus Pocus. That is super cool. I cannot wait to rock that. My mom and my aunts are going to be so jealous because Hocus Pocus is their favorite movie. Next up, we have a loose mineral pigment from Glamour Doll Eyes in the shade Patrick. Let's go ahead and give this a swatch. This is nice. That's real nice. Oh, cool. It says, if you ordered during early access, we have included a full-size Glamour Doll Eyes shadow for you. We would like to say goodbye to 10 years of Glamour Doll Eyes and thank V for always being such a wonderful person. Bye, V, we're gonna miss you. I really did like Glamour Doll Eyes pigments. They are really, really nice, and it's sad that she's closing up. Okay, next up we have a Alchemy Channeling lipstick topper in the shade Diamanda. I guess that's how you say it. Y'all know I'm not good at pronunciation. Let's give this a swatch. It does say shake well, so shake it up. Ooh, this is pretty. Ooh, that's real nice. I like that. All right, it says on here, from Notoriously Morbid, we have a full-sized Alchemy matte. This gorgeous lip shade is to die for. Diamanda brings a bit of magic to your lips. Use it by itself or make it a topper to another shade that just brings a bit of punch. That's really nice, and it smells good too. All right, so we have one last item, and it is from Bfe Cosmetics. Not sure what these are, so we're gonna read and find out. This is really cool what these are. From Bfe Cosmetics, we have a new product to the line, a pack of 2 crocheted face scrubbies. That is neat. Oh, I can't wait to try that. These can be used and washed and reused again. That is awesome. And I love the pattern and the colors that she used. That's really nice. I have one more item I forgot to tell y'all about. It is from Psyche Minerals. And it's a ring. Look how gorgeous that is. It says, from Psyche Minerals, we have an adjustable hand-painted ring inspired by all things magic. No two are alike, and they are beautiful. That is so, so pretty. Okay, now I'm going to clean everything up, and I'll be right back. Alrighty, I think I got everything cleaned up, and I think I got everything back in front of me. So let's go through the prices of these products. The About Face body butter, body butter. For this size right here, it is $5.99. For the body butter from Augusta Rose, this is a sample size. The full size is $12. The necklace, it doesn't have a specific price for it. It just says on here, the retail varies from $5 to $10 depending on what you get. I'm pretty sure this is probably a $10 piece right here. But I don't know. The shadow from BFTE Cosmetics. This is a full size. It goes for $6.60. You can also get a sample size for $2.05. The Crocheted face scrubbies. They retail for $4 for a pack of 2. The lip balm and lip scrub set retails for $5 for the set. The Notoriously Morbid lip topper retails for $15. The ring from Psyche Minerals is $10 when it is available. The lip gloss from Sprkly Glitter and Gloss retails for $8 for a full size. This is a deluxe sample size. And the wax melt from Wake the Dead Scrubs, it is $3.50 with the crystal inside of it, $3 without the crystal when it's available. I think that this month's bag was fantastic. I am super stoked. You got a really good deal. Pandora's box does run for $25 plus $5 for shipping, which equals $30. And to think this on its own is $15. So you've paid for half of the box just for this item right here. And you get a wide variety of stuff. I am just like, I have been so impressed so far this year with how much this brand has grown and how different they have made their boxes. I will put information down in the description bar on where you can purchase the July edition of Pandora's box. I'm thinking faster than I can talk, so yeah. And July's edition is Medusa's Lair. So that is the theme for July's box. I will also place links down in the description box on where you can purchase these items from each brand. If there are any discount codes in the email that are associated with these brands, I will put them down in the description box as well. None of them are mine. I don't have any for any of these brands, so I don't earn any money off of them, but they're there to save you some money. And that is all that I have for you guys today. Don't forget, all my social media handles will be down in the description box. Come on over. We have fun on those pages as well. I do not, however, have a Twitter account. So if you happen to see one with my face and this gorgeous smile, report it because it's fake. Also, all the products that I used today to make this makeup look will be listed in the description box as well. I love you all so much, and I will see y'all next time. Bye. Wow. I love the variety of this stuff. I'm so excited. This ring is just so gorgeous. It matches the pendant I got from them and the earrings. I love it. I can't wait to melt this. This is gonna be great. Oh, it smells so good.